ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim Durable Laptop 13.3. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Amazing laptop. Thank God I chose this PC over Dell XPS 13. I see lot of people complaining about trackpad on 14-inch model, but it is perfect on this model. If you are looking for portable, fast performance, and great specs, this is for you. Nice bright and colorful display, even better than my 15.6 inches gamer that weighs in 7.3 pounds. This is even better at 2.7 pounds, checked on my digital kitchen scale. Fast, bright, cool, what else is there? I like the 3D IR camera, don't even have to log in. Looks very well made, wish had more USB, but has full-size HDMI, not many like many ultralights have. Have already run for about 7 hours on first charge, getting low, but still running. This laptop is the size of a legal pad. As soon as you get it started and connected to the internet, carve out 30 to 45 minutes for updates. After that, you'll love it. SSD is mandatory for me. My career requires me to multitask on a lot of applications. A good graphics card is also mandatory. I bought this on Prime Day for $850 and earned 6% back on my Amazon card. However, the everyday price is still cheaper than a yellow box store. This computer is quick. I wanted a Mac Air but missed out on the Prime Day sale for it. This PC laptop is close enough. The facial recognition is a nice touch for a fast and smooth sign-in. The computer is very sleek and does everything I need it to do for work. It is also incredibly sturdy for such a lightweight device. I have had issues with my former laptop overheating, so I appreciate that this computer was designed to provide some lift to help with airflow and to prevent it from overheating. Overall, it is a great computer for those who are on the move and need to be able to work from anywhere. Overall, great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.